Hey, I'm here with another tech tip for you, and today I'm going to get a little bit deep into spreadsheets. So, one thing that frequently happens is I have lists of students that I need to see. Like this right here is my list of students that I need to talk to, and I have to go around and hunt them down and figure out if they're here. And this list has like 80 kids on it. So every day I'm checking the attendance in Dazzle. So I'm going to Dazzle, I'm looking at the daily attendance, and what I do is I take and grab the list of all the students who are present, and I copy that, and then I come back here, and I actually am pasting this here because it comes up all messed up, and I don't want to mess up my formulas over here. I come back here and delete these two blank spaces. I have not figured out how to get it to paste them in correctly. I've just given up. I just delete the two columns. Um, and now what it's doing is I just have this referencing the attendance, and I have this referencing my list of testers. And so it's comparing the list of testers with my list of students in attendance, and this is the list of students who are present and in attendance, okay? So let's talk a little bit about this formula, okay? So there are two parts to this formula. First, there's match. So match looks at list A to see if there are any matches in list B. And if there are, it says that it matches, okay? Now, filter then filters out the names of the students who are in both lists. So basically, this looks at both lists and sees what the formula is. Now, if you want to use this formula, it's very generic, and you could just copy and paste this and have your two lists of student names in A and B and compare your list of student names and figure out who is there. It can really be a great time saver. So I'm going to highly recommend this formula. I think ADs and anyone who finds students for things, like if you're finding students for class or anything, this could really be a great help, just telling you who's here. At 8:30, I run the report, I look at it, and I go and talk to the students I need to talk to. Anyway, I hope this will help you. Have a great week and hope you had a great Thanksgiving last week.